Hello, hello, and welcome to another video analysis session by Five Circle Private Limited. Today we are going to discuss another stock belongs to pharma industry. This sector is underperforming from quite a time. So right now it is this particular stock is looking at very good valuation, and there is news in this stock. That's why we are covering it. News is that this particular company is working on some antifungal drug, and their clinical trials are very successful in India. Now they are collaborating with some international companies for the trials in US and UK, US and Europe. So without wasting any time, let us move to Om Prakash sir. Om Prakash sir will explain us what different we are looking in this particular stock and what are the possibilities. Om Prakash sir, please.
Okay, thank you, Sharadji. Sharadji, one request: can you please lock the meeting because somebody might just open?
Yes.
Okay. As Sharadji has told, we will be discussing pharma company. It will be a very short and sweet video. So let's straight go to the chart. Can you all see my chart properly now?
Yes.
Okay, let me try and make it slightly bigger. Okay. As usual, we will try to find supports and resistances. That is the basic parameter of our analysis. So I have drawn a support. This support has been working for quite some time, almost from 2019. So before that, I would like to tell you all that this is a linear chart. Generally, we do analysis on log charts, but this time I have chosen a linear chart for the analysis because I found this chart to be simpler than the log chart.
Yes.
So this is a support. Are you okay with this support, Prasad?
Yes, sir. The support is looking very
perfect.
prominent because it is covering almost every point, like 1, 2, 3, 4 to 5 points. So it is quite prominent. Yes, sir.
Okay. So I will try to draw some resistances. Okay. This resistance seems to be very perfect, and most of the high points of the stocks are matching with this. But do you see any pattern in this particular support and resistances, Prasadji?
Sir, I think there is one parallel
Broadening
channel,
wedge.
I think. Broadening wedge. Yeah, this is broadening wedge.
Yes.
Yes,
This is
the overall
wedge.
Broadening wedge. Large pattern, right?
Okay. So it's a very big pattern, and I think broadening wedge is one of the most powerful patterns where very big swings are visible in this kind of a pattern. So let me see if there is any other pattern that is forming. So I can see a cup and handle being formed, though it has not been formed fully, but it looks like in the coming days, probably this particular stock will form this particular pattern.
Yes.
So let me indicate. This is the cup, and this is how it can form a handle, or it may touch down and then come up, and somehow it will try to form a handle. So this is just a anticipation.
Yes.
It may be, it may not be.
So it can be a rounding bottom, it can be a cup and handle, it can be anything. So
yes, there could be 2-3 kinds of patterns. So I will hide this particular pattern as of now and try to see if there are any. Okay, I'm unable to
you can undo.
Brush. Okay. Thank you, Sharat ji. So let's see if what is happening next. So I have tried to draw a support zone, which is covering most of the points, and this is also working as a line of law of polarity line,
Right.
Law of polarity zone. Though it is not very perfect, but at a lot of places, like here it was working as a resistance, here it is as a support, again support, though not working here, resistance at some places, and then again support. So this could act as a support zone. So this is what we assume. So this is one support zone, this is another support zone. So there are multiple supports that are coming up in this particular chart. So let's move ahead. So I will name these patterns. This was a broadening wedge. Then this was cup and handle, or say rounding bottom. These are the two patterns that have come up. So now we have to move ahead and see if we can take some trade on this. Otherwise, what is the use of this particular analysis?
Right, sir.
So I'll try to draw a parallel channel on a smaller time frame. So to I will unhide these. I will hide these patterns, so that pattern. So you can you see this particular channel clearly now?
Yes.
I will just go on it. So now this particular channel we will be able to find out some trade with the help of this particular channel.
Yes.
But however, along with this particular zone that I have drawn, let us see if there is any other support, very, very short-term support that is coming up. So if you see this particular support, there is another support that is coming up. So now you see, now let's summarize what all we have shown to the viewers. One support that was with the help of broadening wedge that we have shown. Another support was a support zone with the green zone that we have shown. Third one was with the help of the channel. And fourth one, which is with the help of this particular trend line. So we have been able to find 4 supports in this particular stock, 2 patterns that we have found, and 1 parallel channel. So I feel we have been able to analyze and verify various levels in this particular stock with the help of these tools that I have used. So now let's see what are the probabilities of a trade in this particular stock. So from current level, if the stock goes up, we have 21% upside.
Right.
That will come somewhere around 4278. I have subsequently drawn an anchor text where I have given all these targets. So I will write it down subsequently. So another target that is possible, that is 33% returns and somewhere around 4,900 levels. And there is a probability of this particular stock going down also. If it touches the support down below, there will be another 5 to 7% downside. So if it goes down, then there is a long-term support, and we can be rest assured that the stock will go up from here. So this is what was my analysis. Now I will give stop loss also to the viewers. So okay, I think there is something wrong. So I have given the stop loss of 3000 here. The first target is 4300. Second target is 4900. First entry point is at the current level, that is 3500. And if the stock goes down, then the next entry point is 3250. So Sharatji and Prasadji, I have finished my short analysis on Alchem Lab. In case you want to add something, ask something, you are most welcome.
No, sir. Everything was up to the mark. Very good analysis. I just want to disclose
Yeah,
Yes,
I
sir.
just want to tell that for entry at 3,500, one can buy like he can allocate 30 to 40% of his amount, and rest of the 60 or 70% he can use when the stocks comes at 30 to 50. So one should think of managing the trade, because there is a possibility that very small possibility that it can come to 30 to 50, but that would be a very good level to add
Buy.
money in this
Yes,
particular stock.
yes, yes.
So,
Mm-hmm.
and our
Right.
target will be greater from here. So that's the reason. Yes, Prasad.
Thank you.
Right, sir. Thank you, sir. And sir, I just want to disclose one thing, that we are not SEBI registered analysts. So if you are taking any trade based on our sharing view, then please consult your financial consultant and take a decision accordingly. So that's the disclosure from my side. So I think we have done.
Yes,
You know,
yes. Just
let's
like our
let's
video, and please comment in the comment section and
yes.
share with your near and dear ones. That's all. And goodbye for now.
Goodbye.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.